maintenance 8 to 12 percentage, improvement in town network uptime, ML driven marketing 15%. Okay, the total projected income impact 2.5 billion Kenyan currency, and revenue over 24 months. The real challenge challenge one, text format age filed animal shelter 2 years 5 months 3 week 4 days. So it's a 4 different time unit and challenge two, hidden missing values like adult salary. And challenge 3, selecting optimal K for K map. For below method, give a visual heterotic, not a presentive answer. K4 was clear here. Alignment with K4 evaluation categories. Okay, challenge for writing the ML strategy for Safaricon required stepping outside. Okay, what could be improved? Avalon dataset, random forest, boots, regression, high CVR square variation, standard 0.2056, strongly single non-linear. Okay, car evaluation, clustering and DBS CNA, KMM faced regret, especially cluster DBC, and can find irregular shape. Adult salary like storm over sampling and class weighted LA. Safaricon full data uh, audit, pilot and production. Okay, all required delivered MS Word, settled animal CVS, animal sheltered cleaned CVS, part 3, part 4 adult salary, part 5 car evaluation video presentation. Thank you for stay with me. ADTA 5340 discovery and learning with big data final project presentation, MLA strategy, Safaricon PLC 2.5, KEB projected impact, data processing, Austin animal shelter, 95,000 57 clean record, regression outperforms a decision tree on Avalon, and classification KNN 82.85, age logistic regression 82.17 for adult salary, clustering KMF K is equal to 4, revolve strong structure in car evaluation data. Thank you for stay with us. I'm Jaber Al Mamun finally, and my ID is 11884967. Thank you for stay with me.